Excuse me, sir. May I ask you some question?
Yes, of course.
What's your full name?
My full name is Parvez Hawladar. You can call me Parvez because it's my nickname.
Yes. Where you came from?
Yes, I am from Munchiganj.
Before you come English fantasy, which level you speak English?
Before I come English fantasy, my English level is very poor because in that time I don't speak any kind of English words.
After you come English fantasy, which level you speak English?
After I come English fantasy, it's our 6th day. We can learn more and more. At this moment, I can ask some kind of English.
Okay. What's your future plan?
Oh, my future plan is going to go to abroad for my higher study. After completing my higher study, I can back in my hometown. Then I make our own company, inshallah.
How is environment on English fantasy?
Yes, English fantasy's environment is very good for living. We live in residential care. That in residential care, they have a very good for living. These facilities are very good for living. Okay.
You can learn properly?
Yes, I can learn properly. The teachers and mentors are very good. They teach us properly and they inspire us every time.
Okay. Thank you so very much.
Okay.